Potchefstroom. Ek het die voorsitter van die direksie van Momentum Aardklop hier by my, professor Darryl Balia. Prof, sê bietjie vir my, wat is dit wat jy dink ego na die week van feeshou? Hoe is Aardklop eintlik nie net 'n week se fees nie?
Well, Aardklop, is intrinsically, connected to Potchefstroom. You can't speak of Aardklop without, reference to Potchefstroom. It's like the Mooi Rivier, and the university.
Absolutely.
It's just part and parcel. It's one thing. So Aardklop is part of our DNA, shall we say. And when you come here and you experience it and then you go away, it is something that you take with you. We say about the Mooi Rivier, if you drink the water, you get converted.
Yes.
And that is my experience of all the theatre goers and the people who travel even from Gauteng. 60% of our patrons come from Pretoria, for example, or from the north, shall we say. They come from out of town. But once they come and experience Aardklop, it seems almost as if they are so overwhelmed, and it's something that creates a space in their hearts, and they don't let it go. And it's not just the theatre goers, but also the artists, because they are ever so loyal. For over 20 years, it's the same artists who keep on coming, and the patrons come to engage with them and to benefit from their new artistic expression. Mm-hmm. So we have a very loyal, following. Mm-hmm. So loyalty is part of the DNA,
yes.
of this Aardklop experience, which I didn't know much about until I came here and experienced it for myself.
Fantastic.